you're running WooCommerce and your shipping rules feel limited, confusing, or impossible to customize, you're probably using the wrong tool. Today, I'm showing you how to take full control over your shipping setup with Flexible Shipping Pro by Octolize. Let's dive in. Now, what makes Flexible Shipping Pro different? The biggest feature that makes Flexible Shipping Pro stand out is the built-in AI assistant. Shipping logic can get complicated. You've got weight rules, cart value thresholds, product-specific pricing, and shipping classes. Now, that complexity is powerful, but it can also be incredibly overwhelming. The AI assistant essentially solves that. If you don't have technical skills, you can describe your shipping scenario in plain language, and it helps configure the rules properly and turns advanced shipping logic into something simple and manageable. Now, Flexible Shipping Pro offers support for over 19 different conditions, more than most competing plugins. The most popular and useful ones include weight-based shipping, cart value rules, item and cart line item conditions, shipping class logic, and of course, product-specific rules. That gives you extremely precise control over how shipping costs are calculated. There's also a free shipping progress bar, which is another feature you don't usually see in competing plugins. You can enable it directly inside the plugin settings, and you can even customize the message like only $20 left to unlock free shipping. That means no need for extra plugins just to increase average order value. It's all built in. Now, there's also time-based rules, which basically mean you can create shipping conditions based on time of day and day of week. This is perfect for businesses offering limited hour delivery, weekend pricing, and special promotional rates. There's also stop rule logic as well. This is one of the biggest advantages over default WooCommerce shipping plugins. Once a specific rule is met, you can actually stop further calculations. That means if a weight rule applies, the price rule also applies. Customers won't get double charged. This gives you full control and avoids overlapping rule conflicts. There's also a debug mode for security and accuracy. So this helps you double check whether your rules are working properly, and it highlights errors and shows how calculations are being applied. When combined with the AI assistant, it makes complex shipping setups practically foolproof. There's also compatible add-ons as well for scalability. So if you want more control, Octolize offers powerful add-ons that work seamlessly together. You've got distance-based shipping rules, perfect for local delivery businesses, adding distance and duration conditions. There's flexible shipping locations, which lets you custom zones and subzones, and flexible shipping box packing as well. This uses an advanced algorithm to pack products into boxes in the most efficient way. And that's just a few of all of the amazing tools that come with this. One of those include flexible shipping import and export support, which lets you back up your entire shipping configuration in a CSV file and re-upload at any time. Everything here is built for full compatibility with Flexible Shipping Pro, and it scales as your business grows. Now, here's where it gets even more powerful. If you're running an e-commerce business, especially dropshipping or global fulfillment, pairing Flexible Shipping Pro with a strong fulfillment partner is key, and that is where Fulfillman comes in. Fulfillment helps handle product sourcing, warehousing, order fulfillment, and global shipping. So while Flexible Shipping Pro gives you full control over your shipping logic and checkout experience, Fulfillment handles the physical side, getting products packed, delivered efficiently worldwide. Together, you control both the digital shipping strategy and the real-world fulfillment execution. That is how you build a scalable WooCommerce operation. Links to all of this will be in the description. If you do want to check out some smarter shipping logic here, definitely check out Flexible Shipping Pro by Octolize. And if you're scaling globally, consider integrating it with Fulfillment to streamline fulfillment from end to end. Shipping doesn't have to be complicated if you're using the right tools. That's going to be it from me. I will see you in the next one.